You can enhance your Etsy shop's performance by leveraging eRank's integration with Google Analytics 4. This powerful combination provides detailed insights into how customers discover your products. If you haven't already, create a Google Analytics account, link it to your Etsy shop, and sync it with your eRank account. Full instructions on how to do this are linked in the description. Once connected, your eRank dashboard will display valuable insights including top keywords, country stats, and traffic sources. These metrics offer a quick snapshot of your shop's performance, helping you identify trends and assess the impact of your marketing efforts. For a more detailed analysis, navigate to traffic stats from any page on eRank. You can find it on the left side navigation under Shop Insights. Here you can select a time frame, such as the last 15 months, to analyze trends effectively. You'll find information like keywords. These are the terms that led shoppers to your listings. Visits. These are the number of visits per keyword. Average position. Your listing's average ranking on Etsy for those keywords. Traffic sources. The origins of your traffic, such as Etsy search, Google, or Pinterest. Clicking on a specific keyword provides deeper insights including listings found. These are the listings that appeared for that keyword along with thumbnails, titles, and tags. Keyword placement. Highlighted areas showing where the keywords appeared in your title and tags. And performance metrics. Number of visits per listing and average ranking position on Etsy. If a keyword is driving traffic but isn't in your title or tags, consider adding it, though it is advisable not to alter listings that are already performing well. eRank's Spotted on Etsy tool allows you to track where your listings appear in Etsy search results for specific keywords. This feature helps you monitor your ranking and assesses the effectiveness of your SEO strategies. By utilizing these tools and insights, you can make informed decisions to optimize your Etsy listings, enhance your shop's visibility, and ultimately drive more sales.